Hello, welcome to BigDibus. In this video, we are going to see the online BigMart, the admin software features. So let us see the feature details here. Now I am using the BigDibus Vegetable app. The particular app comprises of the products and some features. Let us see one by one. So I am using the login. Each admin has their own login and based on that they can change the product details and make the features changes accordingly. So once the administrator login, he can see the details like total product details. So how many products I have added and total orders I have received, which is the best order, which is the least order, total number of customers I have gained through this app. Everything I can see through this dashboard. So let us see the first of all the company master. Company master comprises about the configuration, the basic configuration about this app. So what is the name of the app, what is the WhatsApp number. So these details will be appearing in the app as well as the website. So whatever changes you are making here will be reflected in the website also. The footer links like social media links can be added here like Facebook, Twitter, Instagram details. If you need cash on delivery option, you can make enable, or you can disable the cash on delivery option. You can enable only the payment gateway alone, and you can set the visibility through the pin codes. So if your customer is downloading the app or website, you can restrict him whether if you are able to service only to that location, then you can restrict through the pin codes. If you don't have any restriction, if you are trading globally, then you don't need to add this. You can just click this one, check this box if your products will be available all the locations. So if you are going to sell, if you are going to give to the people who are not in your location also, you can use this one. Otherwise, if you are going to provide service only to your local area, you can enter the number of pin codes that you are able to do the service. The next thing is like a pin code, basic details, GST number, and username, password you can change, and what is the minimum order to order. So how much amount is minimum to order through your website, or 500 rupees or 1000 rupees, you can make settings from here. If you are allowing your customers to cancel the order after making the order, if you are allowing customers, you can enable, or if you don't want to allow your customers to cancel this order, then you can disable this one. So they have the option. At the same time, you can set your app opening and closing hours. So if you are running a restaurant or any other thing, so if you are providing this particular service between 10 to 5, after that you are not going to accept any orders, then you can make changes in the working hours also. So if you want to send a notification to your customers through the email, so once your customers placing an order, so if you want to send an email to your customers, then you can provide your email details here. Automatically an email will be sent. So here is a shipping cost option. Shipping cost option is an additional feature that you can additional to your tax and product cost, you can add some minimum amount for a shipping cost or delivery charges or packing charges, whatever you may be. This packing charges can be calculated based on the purchase cost. So what is the bill amount? If the bill amount is 2000 rupees, then you can impose 50 rupees or 100 rupees based on the particular bill amount. If it is below 1000 rupees, then add 100 rupees. So automatically the calculation happens. No, if you are not able to provide that way, if you are going to provide based on the weight of the product, how much of order, if it is 5 kg total, then you are going to charge 100 rupees. If it is 3 kg, it's 50 rupees. Then you can make changes based on this. You have the configuration option at the master settings. So I'll show you one by one. This is the company master settings. This is a one-time settings alone. You do not change it each and every time. It's a one-time setting. If in case in future if you want to make changes, then you can make changes at the time. So it shows me what is the expiry date of this. You have option here like footer links like about us, privacy policy, terms and conditions, refund policy. All the details can be entered here. It will be reflected in the front of the website. Then you have the banner master. Banner master is nothing but the scrollers which are available in the website and app. So that scrollers are nothing but it's a navigation. If you are providing any offer as a combo for a particular product, you can create banners for that. So what you can do is you can add the product. So we have provided a specification what is the width and height of the banner should be, and which category of the product that belongs to. For fresh fruits, so what is the particular fruit, so amla. So if you want to group any number of products or any one product also is okay. If you want to group 2 or 3 products for under a particular banner, it's a combo or something like that, it's a banana. So if you're providing 50% off for all these 3 products, so if you create a banner in that way, so automatically when the banner is clicked, this particular 3 products will be shown in a separate page. So this is a banner master. You can create n number of banners as you require. And the group master. Group master nothing but the categories you are created, like fresh fruits, hair care products, home needs. Under that many products will be appearing. First of all, you have to create a particular category. The category name can be entered here, and you can mention what is the size. 15 to 50 pixel is the size of the category. And next comes the UOM master, unit of measurement. If you, in case if you are running a grocery or kirana shop, then you have based on kg, grams, liters, so that can be created here. If you are running a textile shop, you can mention the size of the textile apparels like XL, XML or XS, whatever the size may be, like 36, 40 till 40. You can enter all the details. For example, other thing like anything like numbers, you can enter anything. So what are the things, if unit of measurement belongs to your business, can be created here. You have option to select from various options. And product, next comes the product master. So you have the list of products you have added previously. You can search from here. For example, if I want to search only Amla, it will appear here. You can see the product details here. And if you want to create a new product, you have the option here, add product. So you can select the created category, select the category, and which is the unit of measurement belong to this particular product name, commodity code. So if you, this particular is fresh fruit, if you are providing it for 200 grams, 100 grams, 500 grams, then you can enter the price for that. When your customer switches over the particular thing, automatically the amount appears based on the number of counts. So description about the product. Then you can select the currency. It's multiple currency you can select, you can switch over. And the next thing is the language, whatever language, if it is Hindi or Telugu or any Tamil or English, whatever language you are entering here will be appeared in the website as well as the app. So you can, if you need, you can mention the tax amount for this. At the same time, if you want to categorize this product as a new product, then you can make a tick here. Automatically it will be coming under the new product section in the home page of the website or app. And if you want to make it a bestseller, it's also possible. But if you want to make this an out of stock product, if you want to show this product but the customer cannot make an order, if then you can make this as out of stock product. So it will show, but it won't, the customers can't make the order. It will show as out of stock product. Next, after that, there is an option here, discount product. If you are providing any discount for this particular product, like MRP rate will be there, it will be striked out, and you can provide the offer price there. So that can be mentioned here. You can mention this product as a particular discount product. Yes, this is a discount product. Now there is a separate section, separate page for the discount. I will explain you later on. So for each and every product, you have 4 image options. You can upload up to 4 images, front, back, or any other color difference or anything. You can make like a differentiation in the 4 images. And you have option here, what is the size of the particular image should be. So based on the size, the appearance will be enhanced in the website and app. This is a product master. As I told you, this discount master. Let us see how you can provide offer to your products. So if you want to add any discount, I click add new discount product. You can select from the list whatever products you have mentioned as a discount product alone will appear here, not all the products. So example, I have created bathroom cleaner. What's the tax amount? What's the total cost here? If I am going to provide 10% of discount, automatically calculates. So in the front, what it will show is 300 striked out 270. So if you don't have any calculation on discount price percentage, if you want to provide us a price like 50 rupees, so 16.67 will be calculated automatically. So 300 will be striked out, 250 will be shown there. This is the way you can provide offer or discount. So you can see list of customers who have used this app in this, and the customer database will be stored here. So next is the holiday master. In case if you want to keep this app under holiday, if you don't want to use this app, you don't want your customers to place order, you don't want to receive order for a week or a day or a month, so you can set from date and to date. From these 2 dates you can set from date and to date. So till then that whoever opens the app, this particular reason will appear. For example, if you are going for a holiday, if you are coming for next week, now we are temporarily closed, you can mention in that way. Automatically when someone opens, it will show now temporarily closed. So the text, whatever you are mentioning here, will appear there. It can be either in any language like Hindi, English, Telugu, Kannada, Tamil, whatever language you are providing here will appear there in the holiday text. Okay, fine. Next I come to the other master. So other masters has been completed, so this is not required. Next I come to the inventory section. So you can see here total number of orders I have received till now. What are the orders which are pending will be appearing at the top. So this is the latest order I have received, and what is the details. So what is the payment mode? Okay, so I can see here. So I can see which is been pending, not been delivered. So I have option of two prints. A4 sheet is print is available. I'll show you now. So you can see here A4 sheet print is complete. You can see here, and this is the thermal print. So both the print options are available. The thermal print, I'll expand and show you. So you can see here the logo is customizable. You can make changes in the company master. Automatically the details will be shown here. Vegetables, vegetables, a company name I have entered in the company master. The same way the mobile number, address, everything is customizable. This is a thermal print. So this is the A4 sheet print. Same thing is appearing with the order number. I'll expand and show you. So on left hand side you can see the GS number details, whatever we have mentioned the company master, it will show you. This is the customer name. So, and this is the product details, subtotal, tax amount, shipping cost. A Pakka bill will be generated automatically. So if you want to ship this order, you have option to change the status, and you can click this and you can make the status like it is been shipped. This notification will be sent to the customers when he opens the app. He can see the status, whether it is pending, it's a shipped or it's cancelled. He can see from their own app or website by using their mobile numbers which have been used for the placing the order. Okay, now you can see here delivered, whichever the order has been delivered. You can see show order. It will show you what are the products has been delivered to the customer. Okay, so what has been cancelled, any cancelled orders will be appearing in the cancelled section. So you can categorize various types of orders like pending orders, shipped orders, cancelled orders in various sections. So shipping cost. So as I told you earlier, this shipping cost can be calculated based on the purchase cost or bill cost, and it can be calculated based on the weight. So I have mentioned here I need in the format of in the billing cost. So if some customers placing an order between 1 rupee to 1000 rupees, 25 rupees is added. So I can make changes like that. I can create n number of types. When I click enter, automatically a new thing appears. If I want to remove, I can remove from here. I can update at any time. So next, the payment details. So whatever payment I have received, that can be seen here. It can be cash or any payment. You can search between the dates like for a week or for a year, for a month, everything. So I have not received any payment. I can skip this particular one. And expense details. So what are the expense I have incurred, that can be seen here. And enquiry details. So I can see the reports also, order details, like order details, total number of order I have received, and I can see for a particular week or a month, for from 1st of July till now, what is the product I have sold, what are the products has been ordered. I can categorize based on category wise. So I can see here based on category what is the total amount has been sold, total number of amount I have received through this app or website. If I want to see each in detail, you can see here which is the customer, what is the category name, what is the product, and what is the total number of quantity. You can see based on the category alone, and who are the customers who have ordered for the particular category. You can see here it will be very easier for you to understand which category has been sold the topmost, and which are the customers are need for the particular category. You can categorize them. It will be easier for you to make some decisions based on that. At the same time, if you want to go by product wise, you can select the product, and you can see for this particular product who are all the customers for this particular product, and when is the date, when they, what is the interval, regular interval they have made. For example, if you are taking for 2 or 3 months, you can compare between that days, and you can generate reports based on a customer. So if a customer is regularly maintaining his orders, so you can keep concentrating and providing some discounts additionally in case if it's required. So this is a decision making report. And customer, if you want to see for a particular customer also, you can see that when has been order placed. You can see for all, you have both the option. So which is the customer, so what is the total amount, what is the tax amount, total amount, total number of quantity, everything can be seen based on the date. So not only that, you can download this particular report in Excel sheet format also. You can make any changes based on that. You can take as a printout also. So this is a very important report. If you want to take by next one is like orders by customers. You can just go for customers alone. If you want to take report for customers alone, then you can see here, you can take a report of this and download as an Excel sheet. You can generate report for the customer with their basic details. What is the status, pending, shift, whether some reports, some orders have not been will be missed. So that can be categorized here. And you have chart reports also, and you have the send SMS and email option. So if you have an additional payment for this is an additional cost add-on for SMS, you can contact us for the basic details. If you want to email is free, so you can register your email in the company master. You can send emails to your customers as a no, as a newsletter or any offer you can send through this. You can send notification to your customers from here also. So for example, if you click all, you can send it to your customers. It can be online customers or offline customers. In company master, you have option to categorize your offline and online customers also. So you can send it from this particular dashboard itself. The next one is you have the chart. So what are the charts required, you can see from here. So all the reports has been completed. So I understand that you have cleared all your queries. In case if you have any queries on this, you can contact us with the technical person, like through the number 9123515998. Otherwise, you can visit our website onlinebigmart.com. So you can see here all our details and the pricing structure, latest details, everything has been updated here. So contact us and get benefit. Thank you for watching this video.